I'm Danielle.
I'm Stephanie Whitney.
I'm most excited about how CLRiE will build deeper relationships with the community.
And I'm most excited about how CLRiE will engage internal and external partners in research opportunities.
I'm Julie Mueller.
I'm Eileen Wood.
And I am most excited about how CLRiE will engage with industry and community partners to advance digital technology for teaching and learning.
I'm delighted to be part of this new center as it will serve as a hub to bring together the needs of the community, both near and far, with the talents of my colleagues at Laurier, and we can work together to address issues in learning and education that range from the fundamentals to policy.
I'm Steve Sider.
I'm Alexandra Gottardo.
I want to focus on the L of CLRiE, leading. I'm excited about how CLRiE will be a leader in innovative and important education-related research in Ontario and beyond.
And I'm most excited about the interesting new collaborations facilitated through CLRiE.
I'm Caitlin Lees.
I'm Richelle Monaghan.
I'm most excited about how CLRiE will engage students through opportunities in research and mentorship.
And I look forward to educational research in STEAM, science, technology, engineering, arts, and math, with a focus on equity, diversity, inclusivity, and decolonization in higher ed.
Thank you, everyone, for being with us today for the CLRiE launch. It's great to have you here.
And it wouldn't be a grand opening without a ribbon cutting.
Everyone ready? 1, 2, 3...